Jack in here today. We got some Stranger Things stuff. We got the action figure, we got Will, Dustin, Lucas, Pennywise. Oh, and we also got this thing. Lucas, the stuffed toy thing. So I think we're gonna open this one first, the It thing. So let's just clear these out of the way. Alright, let's open this up. Let's see here. There we go. Oh, there we go. Alright. Now, okay, let's open them up. Alright, open. Oh, on the back it doesn't show you the other character. It just shows you them, just Pennywise. It's like really hard, dude. It's like really hard to get it out. There we go. Alright, let's take it out. Well, there we go. And there he is, Pennywise, the dancing clown. So, that's him. Put him right there. Okay, so, and I think I want to keep the box. And here's Pennywise. You see that he's wearing his he's actually holding Georgie's boat. And he's got hair, he's got his blue eyes, and that's it. Okay. Alright, now, that was the Pennywise. So now we're going to open Lucas, put him right by this tape, and boom.
Alright.
Alright, now you can see, this is Lucas. See, he's wearing his thing on him. I don't even know what it is, but that's something. And on the back, you can show the rest of the characters, which is so cool. So now let's just open it up. Alright, now let's just open them up. Okay, so we just have to just... There we go. Let's open them up. Oh, there we go. Let's take them out of the box. Super hard to do it. Oh. It's like really hard. It's like really hard to take it out of the box. Oh, there we go. And there we have it. There's Lucas. He's wearing his goggles. He has goggles. That's him. Now you can see, this is Lucas, and he's wearing his bandana. Got the backpack, holding binoculars. And I think that's it. Now let's open up Dustin. This is so cool. And it doesn't even have a wrap. We can just open it right up. So just open it right up. Take him out of the box and just these are like really hard to get out. Alright, now it's just it's really hard to Alright. And there we go. Now, here is Dustin. He has nice shoes. He's got his backpack on. He got his hat and whatever that is he's holding. Sometimes, I don't even know what it is, but I think that's it. Alright, now let's open up Will. Because sometimes he was kidnapped by the monster. Got taken. So let's just get him out. He looks pretty cool. These are like really hard to get out. Yes. And here we have Will. You see, he got some nice hair. He got his black shoes. He has a backpack, and he's not even holding anything because that's just him. And he's so cool, and that's it. Now let's open up the final one. This is Dustin as an action figure, because this time I got him at a bookstore. So let's open him up. That was easy. Alright, what's this? Oh, it's covered with tape. Just gotta get the tape off. Alright, got the tape off. There. As you can know, it comes with a standee. Oh wait. That right there. Okay, now let's get the rest of this. Oh, there we go. Now let's get his backpack out. Alright, sorry it took so long. Just gotta get something real quick. Let's just get him out first, because... Oh, there we go. What the... Oh, there you go. There's Stanley. I mean, Dustin. There's backpack. Alright, now let's get the rest of the stuff out. Alright guys, so now let's open the rest. This is taking so long. Sorry about this guys, but it's just, the tape is just super strong. Alright, now here's Dustin. As you can see, he's got his hat on, got a grin on his face, and he got his shoes. He's a little bit dirty, but that's okay. And that's him. Alright, now here's a stand, and right here we got his flashlight, and whatever that is, we got his hand to hold his walkie-talkie, and we got the backpack. Alright, and here is all the characters. Let's name them all. So we have Will, Lucas, Dustin, Pennywise, and the pop figure Dustin, and the stuffed toy Lucas. And alright guys, thanks for watching our episode, and we'll see you next time. Bye everyone.